Aradhya Sadotra. Largest state of India.
मैम एशिया।
Asia. Wrong. Asia is a continent. Asian.
मैम इंडिया।
No. India is not a state. India is a country. Asian, what is the answer? Rajasthan. Good. Smallest state. Amania. Rehana, give me the answer. Smallest state.
गोवा।
Goa. Okay. Good. Now, today we will learn how to locate the states on a political map. India has 28 states. All of you will learn. Keep a pencil in your hand and open your notebook where you have pasted. Open that page where you have pasted the map. Look at this map. I am showing you the map.
यार मैं कैसे करूं अब? ये क्या?
Look at the screen. Everybody will do. First of all, we will locate Rajasthan, largest state of India. Don't scribble. Largest state of India. Who is scribbling? Now look at the map. First of all, we will locate the largest state, Rajasthan. Look at the map. Rajasthan. You will write like this. Draw a line and write Rajasthan. Write Rajasthan. Ekamprita, are you not doing? Rajasthan. Now, we will locate smallest state. Smallest state. Everybody has written Rajasthan? I am giving you time, right? Now we will locate smallest state. Goa. Goa. Yadvi. Goa. Everybody will locate Goa. Smallest state, Goa. Next, we will locate Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. In short, we say UP. Right. Draw the line. Write Uttar Pradesh. UTTAR Ekamrit, you are not doing. UTTAR PRADESH, Uttar Pradesh. Next, we will locate Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. You have to learn these states and neighboring countries for your exams also. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. Next is Punjab. Punjab. I am giving you time. Those have not done, they will complete. After that, we will move forward. Rajasthan, Goa, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, and Punjab. Complete these 5 states. Okay. Next state is Assam. Look at map. Where is Assam? Assam. Assam. ASSAM, Assam. Next is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. AN ANDHRA A capital ANDHRA PRADESH. Andhra Pradesh. Locate properly. Next is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. T capital AMI, capital. First write T capital AMIL, Tamil Nadu, NADU. Tamil Nadu. Write neatly. Next is Maharashtra. 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 M capital AHA RAS HTRA Maharashtra. M capital AHA RASHTRA Maharashtra. Write neatly. Last we will do Kerala. 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 K capital. ERALA. I am giving you time complete. Today we have done only 10 states. You learn only these 10 states for your exam. I am giving you time. I hope everybody has finished. Okay. Now I am going to ask you some questions. Everybody has written? Everybody has done? Okay.
No,
Now,
ma'am.
this chapter is, we have finished today this chapter. Now, I will introduce new topic, unity in diversity. I will introduce new chapter, unity in diversity. India is a land of diversity. Diversity means इंडिया में बहुत सी लैंग्वेजेस बोली जाती हैं, डिफरेंट कल्चर, कस्टम्स, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑल दिस वी ऑल आर यूनाइट वन. We celebrate many festivals in our country. We celebrate many festivals in our country, just like religious festivals, national festivals, harvest festivals. Now I will ask Ashwik, give me the answer. Name any two national festivals. Ashwik?
Gandhi and Republic Day.
I am not listening to you. National name of two any national festivals.
Ma'am, Gandhi Jayanti and Republic Day.
Good, good. Shivya, tell me the names of any religious festivals.
Diwali and Holi.
Good. In our country, we celebrate so many festivals. All of you know, in school we also celebrate these festivals. You do so many activities, collage making, for this festival, national festivals. You get so many activities. You participate. Okay. Now, everybody will open page number 336. Chapter 8, page number 336. Chapter 8. India is a land of diversity. I told you meaning of diversity. Underline. 29 states. Cut 29, write 28. Cut 9, write 8. And 7 union territories. You will cut 7, write 8. 8 union territories together form our countries. 28 states and 8 union territories together form our country. Everybody will do this correction. Cut 9, write 8, and 8 there are written in your book 7. Cut 7 and write 8. Okay. It has a rich and diverse culture. Diverse means different type of culture. Underline diverse. The people of the Indian states speak different languages. People of different states speak different languages. have different religious beliefs and practice diverse customs. However, in spite of the differences, there is unity among us. There are so many languages, religious beliefs, different, so many religions are there. They have different customs. But in spite of the differences, there is unity among us. So India is rightly known as the land of unity in diversity. Underline, land of unity in diversity. Next page. Religious and tribal communities. People of different religions live in India, such as Sikhs, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Jains, Buddhists, and Parsis. In India, people are following different types of religions. Sikh, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Jains, Buddhists, and Parsis. There are also a number of tribal communities settled in various parts of the country, such as, underline the different tribal communities: Santals, Bhils, and Kols. Santals, Bhils, and Kols. In various parts of the country. They live in different parts of the country. The people of every religion and community follow different beliefs and practice. People of all communities respect each other and live in peace and harmony. Peace and harmony. Harmony means agreement in feeling or opinion. Okay. We will revise again this paragraph, small two paragraphs. In India, people there live different people of different religions, and there are some number of tribal communities. Tribal meaning of tribal community is a group of people sharing common ancestors, traditions, and customs. A group of people sharing common ancestors, traditions, and customs. There are three types of tribal communities: Santals, Bhils, and Kols. Now we will read about festivals of India. We celebrate various festivals in different parts of the country. Each festival has its own significance. There are some popular festivals celebrated across the country. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated all over the country. We celebrate three main national festivals in India. Which are the three main festivals? You will underline Republic Day. Everybody will underline Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Which are the three main festivals? Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Now, first of all, we will read about Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January every year all over the country. On this day, India became a republic and constitution of the country came into effect. I will read about Republic Day again. It is celebrated on 26 January every year all over the country. On this day, India became a republic and the constitution of the country came into effect. Next is Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August. On 15th August 1947, India attained freedom from the British rule. On this day, we remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. Okay, I will write the names of the festivals. Look at the board, screen. It is celebrated on 15th August. On 15th August 1947, India attained freedom from the British rule. On this day, we remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. Now, everybody will look at the screen. There is some disturbance, wait. Our next festival is Gandhi Jayanti. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? On 2nd October. 2nd October. Look at the screen. October. Gandhi Jayanti we celebrate on 2nd October. It is celebrated on 2nd October to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. On this day, our president, the prime minister, and other leaders pay homage at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi in New Delhi. He propagated the principles of truth and non-violence. Propagated means promoted an idea or a principle. Now, I will ask some questions and I will write, later on I will write on the screen. Divita, when do we celebrate Republic Day? Divita, are you listening to me? Mitakshi? Mitakshi, are you listening to me? When do we celebrate Republic Day?
Ma'am, on 26 January.
Good. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. Okay. Ojasvi, when do we celebrate Independence Day?
Ma'am, on 15 August 1940.
Yes, on 15th August. Every year we celebrate. August. Name any 3 tribal communities. Any 3 tribal communities. Ashia, give me the answer. Names of tribal communities. Ashia, are you listening to me? Daksha,
Yes.
Arshi, are you listening to me? Daksha, give me the answer. Tribal communities. Ankita Gupta, give me the answer. Name of 3 tribal communities. Tell me. Ekampreet,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the name of tribal communities.
Ma'am, Santhals,
Yes,
Bijals, and Coals.
Beals and Coals.
Coals.
Okay. Now everybody has understood today's topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.